Let's make this viral bow with just a few materials. You're going to be needing a pillow, 2 pillowcases, the pillowcase package cover, and our handy dandy Pro Tapes products. In this opportunity, we're going to be using Pro 500B as well as Pro Sheen in the color red. You'll see it come in a little while. You're simply going to be using your 500B to seal your pillowcase once you put your pillow inside of it. Pro 500B is a double-sided tape that adheres perfectly to cloth materials. So in this opportunity, you're going to have a mess-free and hassle-free project with the help of Pro Tapes. Once you have adhered your tape to where you want it, you're going to remove the blue coating on the tape. After sealing your pillowcase, find the center and use an elastic or a piece of cloth material to tie it together to make the shape of the bow. With the second pillowcase, we're going to be making the ribbon falling down from our bow. Cut your pillowcase evenly down the middle to create the bow ribbon that's going to fall from your bow. Keep in mind that I did not cut it all the way, leaving it sort of like a pair of pants at the top so that I could attach it to our bow. Turn your pillowcase inside out and use the same technique as we did before to seal the center and the bottom part of our ribbon. Once you turn it back, you're going to be left with something like this. Attach it to your bow using the remainder of the elastic that you used to cinch the center of the bow. And then secure the flaps in place using a little bit more of the 500B tape. We used the packaging that our pillowcases came in to create the center of our bow, and we pizzazzed it with a little bit of Pro Sheen and red. But why stop there? To tie it all together, we added a little bit more Pro Sheen to our hanging ribbon, and that added the perfect touch to our bow. And just like that, you have the perfect bow for the holiday season or for anything really. Bows are really trendy right now, and so go ahead and make yours.